Hey guys, welcome back to a long-awaited return of Max's Remarkable World. Now you guys, I didn't record, but you may not know, but my house was destroyed again. So now, in this episode, I'm going to build it, but it's a bit different. It's going to be way different to the past two ones I did. The last one was just a recolouring of what I did before, but this one's an actual difference. It's an upgrade this time. And I'm in a tent. So basically what happened was, someone who looked like me destroyed my house. He destroyed my entire world too. I went to a few other worlds to save them, and I'll tell you later, but Augustus, I suppose you can join me. Oh wait, just get my breakfast. Num 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 num. Ah, very tasty. Right, now we must go over to the Great Tree of Subs. And yeah, you may be wondering, Fred's and Leo's house has gone as well. But, yeah, I'll tell you what we're doing. But today, in this episode, I'm going to be adding... Where is he? Oh, sorry, I'm going to be adding... the Minecraft Legends. Because I'm adding the Minecraft Legends because them guys are the owner of the Minecraft multiverse. The Minecraft multiverse is like a void that looks over different Minecraft multiverses, and people consider it the overarching multiverse because it looks over like different multiverses. And yeah, Minecraft Legends, welcome to the Great Tree of Subs. Anyway, today, yes, like I said, I'm upgrading my house today, but today I'm only upgrading my house today. And you know what I find really funny? This shrine here has been here for like the past year, right? This survived the explosion. This didn't, but this did. How? Fucking insane. Anyway, to there. I am upgrading the house. And now I want 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. It's really easy, this design. It's nothing that bit different, but it is a very different house. It's very grand in size. And it's very grand. Oh guys, it's episode 196. It's nearly episode 200. And I've decided that I'm not going to be doing all of the rooms. I've decided that in this episode, I'll do the outside. And in the next episode, I will do the room. I'm not going to do the interior as much yet. I'm going to wait until after episode 200 to do all that stuff. But yeah. Or, you know, I'm not going to leave it as grass, but I'll do this like bit there. You know what I mean? Right, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and guys, this is going to be one room. This is going to be the kitchen. This is going to be the living room. And it's also going to lead out into this like massive garden bit here. And then this bit isn't finished yet because this is going to go into the hill. Ooh, yes. Right, now I need to continue to build up all this. Oh. Yeah. That's that. I don't think there was a point in bringing Augustus since, you know, isn't that far away, is it? I might do 6 up actually. Yeah, I'll do 6 up instead. Okay, and then yeah, I'll go over there and do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can do that. Right, okay. I need 1, 2. I'm gonna need 3 of these. I'm planning on building a museum in the future. Right? And I'm thinking, what if I put the the lag shrine, the Bloodstorm lag shrine. And what if I, or the Storm lag shrine. What if I put that in the museum? I think that could be a pretty interesting, because that's quite an old, it's been there since, like, what, the 20s? Yeah. The 20s category of Remarkable World. I think that'd be interesting, you know. Okay. And what my plan is, right? Okay. I'm going to go over here and do this wall. And I'm going to start building it up, right? Let's do this. But yeah, I am officially back. The Minecraft multiverse was saved. And yeah, I am officially back. After, well, for you guys, it's only been like, what, a week? But for me, it's been like a few months since I've last done Remarkable World, the series. But I'm back now. So, yeah, I'm going to get back into the grind. Back into the grind of pre-recording lots of videos. That is hopefully going to be the plan. Right, so I'm going to go through here. Get this. Wait, did I just accidentally create a staircase? There we go. Right, okay. Okay, there we go. Right, now I'm gonna... I think I might do the inside wall as well. And then, okay. I'll show you guys what I've got. Yeah, I've got a plan for these walls. It's not just going to be these white walls here, because that'll be boring, right? But, hold on. First of all, I need to... You know, I'm just going to do it first. I want to do, like, this, like, little pattern thing here. So it's going to be like this random, like, little pattern, which I'm very, very happy with. And what we want is where is it? This. And this, it's going to be like this. I don't know about you, but I think it makes it look a bit better, in my opinion. There we go. I think it gives it a cool design. Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, there we go. And then we need to do it here as well. There we go. Oh, there we go. Right, yeah, continue that. Right, okay. Okay, now let me just, oh yeah. Just go and pick up some of these. And I might quickly pop off to bed. And then, oh, fuck's sake. Oh yeah, I can't tell with Vibrant Visuals anymore if it's, you know, night or day. Right, I'm actually... There we go. Now, what I want to do is, I want to... Yeah, a window. 1, 2, 3. Right, there we go. There we go. And then, what I want is I want this. And then it's going to be like this. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. go. Do this. Do that. Do that. And then do that. Do that. Right. Okay. I'll do this. Okay, that's like the windows. Yeah, there we go. Now I want to go to sleep. And then I've decided after I've done the sleep, I'm going to do a time lapse. Oh, right. Okay. I'll fix that. Right, I'm going to speed this up. Right guys, that's the time lapse over, and I decided that I'll do the roof and that off camera. So right, I'm just gonna quickly shove all the rest in here, and then I'm gonna get my stuff out. That's in today's episode. If you enjoyed this, hit us from and give a like. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.